Oh shit, oh lord. Told Snoopy that I'm riding. I was hating. Two boys crank face in the car. Noise. Back to the end. Get don't do road, do map. I bun see me, don't lack, bro. Back that thing and them man ran. Dust man down in my Reebok class. Hold on, tryna leave man crash. Pull up, pop out, collapse. Them man just sound like man. No pets blow smoke with man. Like rebels. The life I live too unsettled. That's why that bush full of metal. Man, lock the strip full of pebbles. Zone 2 step, turn step and chain. Zone 2 good and the North Pets Prince. Man's been out, man's been in and out. You say that's OT church. Like, catch me outside, how about that? Me and bro done lurk. Some man's work, some man's cash. Bro putting in wrist work till his wrist hurt. How we do it like that? Man who's better than weed, the man just needs, can't do it like man. Oh shit, oh lord. 2 sets that waps in the park. I told Snoopy that I'm riding, he's sliding, don't ask. Boys crank face in the car, man flying out in the cars. This dip, back to the ends and just laugh. Oh shit, oh shit. Leave guys chest all open, leave man's chest all open. I got the biggest thing that's gonna hit his chin off his shoulders. So niggas let's act right and don't act like you didn't notice. Cause if I don't back that, grab back then I'm soaking. Now niggas just look and get shook, they get silent. I've been tryna grab the whole gang like I'm Trident. And from young, I've been dumb, I've been violent. But they cooking on, so I fucking run from them sirens. I was bossing a hench long suit when Denz walked through with a hand ting. And I rap real life car gang, still ride, still leave my planking. Skid up, don't pick up, you get hit up, leave man skanking. Just got a phone call, said he got him down, yeah that's bro, please spank him on a gang ting. Them man don't put heat on no skin, they in jail, he don't know him. It's hell, you know the thing, or else you see loads of ching. On bill I do loads of sin, ball in the T, I see loads of cling. I ain't the band, you know the ting. I heard there's ops about, so the whole of the gang took the fire exit. And the schoolboys looking at the immense, that's why the ops wanna try and edit. If you give me a stick, I'll couple shows, I'll play around with it till I wreck it. And how much times have I seen Justin like, bro man, you know I gotta leg it. And also Bruce, why the hell do you have that look in your eyes? Wet his chest, that's normals, wet his head, that's him baptized. Pull up, pop out, they ran out, don't give a toss, I ain't the surprise. Beef for me is horrible, but I wish you see 2 magpies. I'm with M, I'm with P. I ain't talking about parliament. Get mad active zone 2s or hit squad. If you wanna have an argument, it could be a mash or a zoo. Either way, I'm rushing it. And it could be the booth or your yard. See me, I move like an arsonist. Balls in my balls like 40. No chef, I ain't no rookie. Been gambling life, no bookie. Smoke a fat head coming like Suki. Shing, get jokey. Hook his chest, let's get hooky. Hook his chest, let's get hooky. Oh shit. Hook his chest, let's get hooky. Oh shit. Them man ran, dust man down in my oh shit. So niggas let's act right and don't act like you didn't notice. Cause if I don't back that, grab back. Oh shit. Leave guys chest all open. Oh shit. I got the biggest thing. Oh shit, oh lord. So niggas let's act right. Oh lord. I got the biggest thing that's gonna hit his chin off his shoulders.
Black. MK the Blood.
Got a Rammy on me, got my Swammy on me, and they got things on things. Keep talking about adding them case to a nigga, come hooded up black to the brim. Off B to the world and back, so Tuesdays only Tuesdays that was banging in York. Get money that still get sent for hoes and we all just chat 24s. Who's better than us? Who's better than gang? Chicks to the us, chicks to the mop, best players at the skanking gangs. 18 fuck cut, if no blood then I grip that thing in my hands. 18 fuck cut, if no blood then I grip that thing in my hands.
2 6. Big rap in the park, bro whip that Astra, man dashed off, been crashing them cars. Don't think about backing your dog, shit them man back out the arm. Scream oh Jesus, oh God, when them see this them gone. Hit squad, we hit dons of course. Man might pull up in Quang, hit man's best friend, leave man corpse. Look, how many man got ching, where they think, what they thought. Niggas ain't talking no truth, go check the stats, go check the scores. When I spit come like man's preaching, PS leave, head of man bleeding. Bro got dark, bro got light, but bro's not bleaching. Hit shots with K2, then back to the 2 where you know about breaching. Phone up bro, for that
cool, I get tweaking, them and two-step on a G. Got a Rammy on me, got my swammy on me, and they got things on things. Keep talking about adding them case to a nigga come hooded up black to the brim. Off B to the world and back, so on twos, only twos that were banging in north. Get money that still get sent for hoes, and we all just chat 24s. Who's better than us? Who's better than gang? Chicks to the us, chicks to the mop, best players at the skanking gangs. 18 fuck cut, if no blood, then I grip that thing in my hands. 18 fuck cut, if no blood, then I grip that thing in my hands. 18 fuck cut, if no blood, then I grip that thing in my hands. Chicks to the us, chicks to the mop, best player at the skanking gangs. Best took dad, took did, took bits, but you know that I always see lines like who's better than us or B's all nuts, cut back, make it bang. I remember that day on the maze, it was me and DY, and I only had my flicking like a rash in the face from a young age. Niggas already know I've been itching. Feds on my case, held a little chase, they know I'm a fan of the kitchen. Hey, zone 2 baby, you might think I'm hit squad the way I come run and hit him. Fat buds in the grinder, chip is lighter, better hashtag billing. Me and off B's on the ride, that's 18, fuck them bed, you spilling. Anything green get whoosh, got a shout out, shush, got shush, got drilling. Anything green get whoosh, got a shout out, shush, got shush, got drilling. Niggas don't ride like niggas ain't riding. Rammy or flick, Samuel Kitch might do it like Bill, like I did. Niggas scream RPK, man, that sounds so good, why the fuck are they lying? Bad B come to the nits for the D, bad B get William Pipe. Bad B get William Pipe. Got a Rammy on me, got my swammy on me, and they got things on things. Keep talking about adding them case to a nigga come hooded up black to the brim. Off B to the world and back, so on twos, only twos that were banging in north. Get money that still get sent for hoes, and we all just chat 24s. Who's better than us? Who's better than gang? Chicks to the us, chicks to the mop, best played at the skanking gangs. 18 fuck cut, if no blood, then I grip that thing in my hands. 18 fuck cut, if no blood, then I grip that thing in my hands. Creep, Quang, I can do that with my friends. I can creep up with a skeng. I can holler M for the 10. Creep, Quang, splash him hot my shank bends. I'll do him up with Kens. Give him hoes to the doctor cut men. Twist up, curl up like Pringles. Shit, then I was meant to say singles. Pop shells like pimples. I want shanks, I want pistols. Snow looking like crystals. I throw up gang signs like symbols. Blow that ting like whistles. Twist like rings, bells, no jingles. Rammy on me, swammy on me. Stick game good, now the rally's on me. Catty on me, yatty on me. Big game good, now the galley on me. Baddie on me, Sally on me. Girl game good, now the galley on me. Axe with me, Samurai Jack with me. Go to the zone, now miss with me.
Just chillin', thinking like how can they doubt this? Step with the kitch when I step on the strip. Got the tool in my pouch with my trousers. How much times we win? Nothings we did, I don't even know, man, it's countless. And their plans don't work, man get jerked. It's back to the running in houses. Look, I ain't no mix up, it's hit squad. Me and Den's got like 4 each. 6 and RK got him in front of his mum and his sister, that's naughty. And this bitch on me like my kitch on me. Might just chill off with shorty. Wait, fuck that shit, man, it's dookie. Like gal get willy and horny. Off block, what step? What's next? That nigga was shook and scared. That's where he was there when your boy got drenched. Man might do it like nasty. Who's that auntie? Gal on set. Don't get me vexed. Get morbid, turn it mince. Like we about to lurk and purge it. We about to get them donuts. And we already got them young G's. We already got them grown up. Plus 4-4, all the talk. Watch man don't phone us. Car, that ain't war. You want war? Watch that Ford Focus.
Like, I ain't got beef in the hood, just some little kids that hate man. Put the arms weight on my back, so you know the whole hood rain man. All my bloodlines ring trap, I ain't tryna fuck with no waste man. And free scam face 3K, get a you blaze with his face at. Man, I know how she likes it. Deep strokes, give me deep throat, then she ride it. Gally on me on the hype thing, gave her the pie, I ain't fighting. She love a bad man from the block. 2-step with a few G's getting rocked. G, lean, bust a dab, then drop. Summer 17, enough guns on the block. I'm like Gally on me. And bro's whip game good, and the stick game good. Same way that the rally's on weed. Pie, now the rally's on weed. Got the light and the dark, same way that the gally's on me. Same way that the gally's on fleet.
Purge and lurk, zone 2 step man, jump out the ride and burst. put it in reverse, then we just skirt. That's another low-key work. Them man just different, us man itching, them man ride with words. I want drugs, money, guns, power, them man there want birds. Zone 2 step man, get it correct, rude boy, best man we step. Dip my splash in your chest, what's next? You ain't gonna ride for your friend. You don't even brought down the Z phone, pots for a 2 in the queue of the leg. Sit in the kitchen, fish just glisten, don't phone me, I'm missing. What's next? That nigga was shook and scared. Tripped and dropped plus his brethren's left. Do it like P, Rammy on me. Swing and hit man's chest. And galley on me like my Rammy on me. Wanna make like we ain't had sex. You don't wanna see Ricks on the back road pulling off with a ting tucked with a fat bowl. Or send 6 round there with the dots. One fucking shot from the pole, make a back fold. And I'm sitting in a chat with a cat and a pack. And I just wanna see that mad dough. And how you gonna talk about poles when you ain't even seen no fucking bankrolls. Like
They claim that they're onto we. Trap and bang, doing up gang, Justin all onto me. They see gang and then run from we. I'm just chilling there comfortably. And your girl do it along with me. Who's on this beat? They claim that they're onto we. Trap and bang, doing up gang, Justin all onto me. They see gang and then run from we. I'm just chilling there comfortably. And your girl do it along with me. You're a big man, doing up gang, slap that man, them younger than me. I slapped one, then I had no teeth. Lies, I had 6 more in my jeans. I spit fire and I rip that heat. G, big out, she on me. I got packs, the packs ain't on me. I got packs, the packs be on fleet. Them man jokes, them man don't want smoke. Little man ran with his cooker, 6 pills there, 6 pills there for the dot, 6 rats for the wood. Fucking with chin, hit a man's chin. G man's belly will fatter than Buddha's. Like KB, let it start like cooker. 4 KB, let it start like Buddha. It's not safe on the strip. If you see Ken's with a fisher, it's not safe. Nah man, it's not safe, but I still want it down Melissa. Take up the shit. Nah man, it's not safe. Man tryna leave man twist up. Like I'm tryna leave my man twist up. Like why is he acting? Like we don't ching. G-man rinse. Like we ain't step and crashed it. Like I'd rather shoot and score and leave it to a nasty to do all the rapping. Like cut shoe like man just crash it. Like man just crash it. They claim that they're onto we. Trap and bang, doing up gang, Justin all onto me. They see gang and then run from we. I'm just chilling there comfortably. And your girl do it along with me.
4-door man skirt with the gang. You say man think they're the bad. A day try ride in a transit van, you'll be going home with the plank. Gang's way too dipped, it splashy shells in your face, make a mind go blank. Come to the ends, I don't mind. We can dance with them guns and shanks. Money, drugs, fire, shells will ruin your tire. 6 from the spin, 1 from the dots, leave your lungs all tied up. Too splashy, no acting. They know me and the gang are too active. Why did it run? We'll splash your whole back. Slide tackle ops, I call that one clapping. Like what's next? I'm in a trap house serving up leng. Kitties all tweaking, moves so meant. I leave a pagan leaking. I'm not trying to leave till big man is all stretched. And galley on me while fuck with the team, but she knows that we just want spreads. Like word to P, I'll make man bleed. I beg you don't breathe. I know I talk grease, but out on the streets a nigga wanna see real bread. Like have you even brought down a Z? I'm bros in the kitchen, hurricane whipping. Kitties like don't make a mess. But after let me get a test. No magic, 10 out of 10.
They claim that they're onto we. Trap and bang, doing up gang, Justin all onto me. They see gang and then run from we. I'm just chilling there comfortably. And your girl do it along with me. Who's on this beat? They claim that they're onto we. Trap and bang, doing up gang, Justin all onto me. They see gang and then run from we. I'm just chilling there comfortably. And your girl do it along with me. Zone 2. Woof. EBK. Fuck your floor. Niggas know what it is. Lie. I'm so low but big. Ching up anyone's face. That girl there is a J. That can't be anyone's babe. And I'm not just anyone's mate. Bun man's bridge on the maddest of ways. Like gal tryna link on the means. Tell gal you're way too crazy. Like 10 toes on the up block. Man's too calm, man's chilling with the blade. Get smoky on a low key. Like not tomorrow, today.
Like Xing Xing Xiao for his mate. Like Xing Xing Xiao for him. Xing Xing Xiao up in his face. Like Jinnles. With the guys, man, doing bare glides, bare knives, man, you know what it is, no riddles. Got Nanks in the back and the middle. Man, shift the cap by Mac D's. But the food's so clean, so you know that they're travelling to Lidl. Big shank on me cause I'm little. The man just tweak on Snap. You're getting run down by axe. Try do 10, man try do 10. But I think I did 2 when I splashed. Hit up the strip. True say a man done trip, done trap. Say you trap mash, but you look like tramps. Gally on me, but she don't wanna bang. Man's on votes, true say man's on votes. Plus I'm on making cash, man's on ropes. Bro said come let's go, man's dusting from a racist man. Man get chingy, man. Gal get fringy for the gang. Zone 2 step, do not zone 2 step. If not, then I zone 2 splash. All eyes on me, and girl tryna fry my weed. Man, I been calm, but I'm violent, G. Like in mansion with a gang in them, like I proper can't find my weed. Got smash out so violently. Won't ride with me. Pen girl wanna ride with me. All eyes on me, and girl tryna fry my weed. Man, I been calm, but I'm violent, G. Like in mansion with a gang in them, like I proper can't find my weed. Got smash out so violently. Won't ride with me. Like pen girl wanna man just joke. No trim, no problemo. Matter of fact, hit slip Rick. Trim quick, yeah, I been there, they know. Hold up, rub my eyes, rub these guys, Kens, look at that stain, bro. Wait, cool off, lay low. I just see a fed man in plain clothes. But I need my pesos, so I might just move back. Better not step on my phasals, or I'll shing man up in the party. Like gally on me, like my rammy on me. Yeah, that gal too naughty. Like who's that, what's that? Have you got what's that? Bust that shorty. Move that, grab that quick ting. Like come on, she know I ain't basic. Ain't nothing, she start blushing. I ain't even asked what her name is. Man do strip, grab that kitchen keys, tie up my laces. P.S. I'm on staining. If I see it, I want it, I take it. Like, just got a call from Nasty. So let's hit up the booth, bro. I ain't no artist, but I'm the hardest, so I come fuck up the studio. Like, bear grab back, bear that noise, bear grab back, not Uno. And it's a pepper up ting, you better not sing, you know you ain't Mujo. Wait, switch topics. Got a bad bitch on my mattress, and you know she on it. And she says I'm sweet, but she know P, and she know P got it. She was calling me boo, thrown up 2, she know the whole team on it. Yo, whole team on it. All eyes on me, and girl tryna fry my weed. Man, I been calm, but I'm violent, G. Like in mansion with a gang in them, like I proper can't find my weed. Got smash out so violently. Won't ride with me. Pen girl wanna ride with me. All eyes on me, and girl tryna fry my weed. Man, I been calm, but I'm violent, G. Like in mansion with a gang in them, like I proper can't find my weed. Got smash out so violently.
Bro, it's BK.
Mika gave you this one.
Like, skinny you with the largest head, but I'm still out, chat mash, get bread. On your block I just zone 2 steps, see me with quang face, then you know what's next. Gal say that I'm cute, she knows I'm at boot, she knows I'm at Shelly at Feds. Zone 2, that's a prominent set. Furthermore, we a dominant set. Furthermore, don't do it, respect man, do up your chest, show a man what's next. And Donnie done saw my face, and then you ran away, like nigga you're wet. I ain't BT or Rendo, but a 2-man step. And chatty, just chat man, soon get catch. Yeah, Swiss, gassé, savage. Gassed up and I'm charged, whip star like oh lord. And if she thick enough and can frig enough, then I swear down and she calm. If she thick enough and can frig enough, then I swear down and she calm. Oh shit, oh lord.
Tento step, doing up pave.
Zone 2, that's a prominent set.
Dice man down for the crew, then I go chill off with babe.
Gal say that I'm cute, she knows I'm at boot, she knows I'm at Shelly at Feds.
Any up, get spot, then he get shaved,
Feds try grab me, try bag me for something that I didn't do, so I went on the run. Breezing it out in a mansion, smoking bare dope with the crew, and I came to your block. Back 5 guys deep in the ding dong, 1 trick top 2 blue. Anyone gets splashed EBK on the streets, I thought these pussy old knew. You can't come to my block and chill, big man, best know your place. If a little man want pipe up to the big boys, then LD will dice man's face. And I step on the pave with blades with evil intentions to cause man pain. That dice man down for the crew, then I go chill off with babe. Like, it's the work of the devil. Light skin fed 1 medal, so I put my foot to the metal. 10 toes on the back road, in the next town tell local man just settle. Cause if you play wrong in the field at the wrong time, Jakes will sting like a nettle.
Tento step, doing up pave.
Zone 2, that's a prominent set.
Dice man down for the crew, then I go chill off with bae.
Y'all say that I'm cute, she knows I'm at boot, she knows I'm at Shelly at Feds.
Any up, get spot, then he get shaved. Then he get 10-toe step, doing up pave. Any up, get spot, then he get shaved. That's what you try stay. Shit, that was the dumbest mistake. Richard Rambo, do it then skate. Taped up back rows, taped up mains. Zone 2 fuck one act to make. Snoop fresh home, that's bro from day. Pull up and crash, don't act brave. Everyone's bad, shit okay. Come this purge, come this play. Boy got smacked, boy on tape. I just want racks, they just want fame. Being in the trap, being out late. Kelly got a back, but a tits double A. Jeep that bitch, then a bitch want stay. If you buck me at 7, then you leave by 8. If you rep 8 times 4 times 5 times 5 plus 14, then you get shaved. Got a light skin girl there with a back that's new. You should love giving her face. She love giving her face. Like, she want giving her face. She want giving her face. 10-toe step, doing up pave.
Zone 2, that's a prominent set.
That's man down for the crew, then I go chill off with bae.
Y'all say that I'm cute, she knows I'm at boot, she knows I'm at Shelly at Feds.
Any up, get spot, then he get shaved.
Choppy human, when truth happens on music, get sent home like you're excluded. In the station you have to move clueless. M said the radio got booted. All the squad spread them to be muted. Take man's grub, no stop and search. Dip man's head, dip man's chest, no sign of cross, no church. We only smoke ammo flavors. I don't wanna hear nothing about merch. On the phone to my ex thing, sees check triz. Why have you gone way worse? I'm ashamed to beef these nerves. Shit ring trap, straight ring trap. Gotta boss it, money comes first. We cock back, then burst. We skid round, did it spurs. They bun budge, we bun herbs. I ain't gigs, but I straight murk. They cut true, they don't lurk. I swear to God, they don't lurk.
Who's better than we? Them manager sneaks. Rich burgers, they ain't banging on beat. Like bro, order a king group, or it might be a Addison Lee. Gally on me, like Marami on me. Gally on fleek, I'm Marami on fleek. Who's better than we? Them manager sneaks. Rich burgers, they ain't banging on beat. Like bro, order a king group, or it might be a Addison Lee. Gally on me, like Marami on me. Gally on fleek, I'm Marami on fleek. Everyone rap about scores, that's fine. I won't lose my temper. Just remember, I rap about truth, not lie. And how many youths got bored? I was talking about scores when the scores was 9. In Sam's bit with bandits, check news, who got bored this time? Man bro, no fault, just knife. Untapped, iPhone 2, dog, that's my zone. Rhyme with rhyme, them rhyme, that's my flow. Might switch it, dog, that's bipolar. No swimming, man, them Lido. Niggas know PS, I'm on BS, they know I'm that psycho. Free arcade, that's my bro. Like, who wants a problem? Hit squad, yeah, we be on nonsense, come like Chicago, but it's London. Big thing gone, leave him unconscious, naughty. Gotta get witty and horny. Who's that, what's that shorty? Oh lordy, still get round there, get saucy. Gory, hate me, can't face thee, but them niggas know that I'm on it. 6 man up, we still twist man up, we had niggas running like Sonic. What the fuck man, I got it tucked, it ain't fitting into my pocket. No way. Big ting, lift him, leave him in the air, Mary Poppins. Who's better than we? Them manager sneaks. Rich burgers, they ain't banging on beat. Like bro, order a king group, or it might be a Addison Lee. Gally on me, like Marami on me. Gally on fleek, I'm Marami on fleek. Who's better than we? Them manager sneaks. Rich burgers, they ain't banging on beat. Like bro, order a king group, or it might be a Addison Lee. Gally on me, like Marami on me. Gally on fleek, I'm Marami on fleek.
So bang that work, Gally on me, won't fucking flirt. Cause we done made history, this bitch into me, she wanna hold my word. We been playing sports, catch me outside, don't check the score. Grab me a pack, now I'm racking out more. Grab me a pack, now I'm reeing up more. Like, she asked what I do, I'm here with the crew. I said that I'm working in Harrods. 4 on 2 on the garage, brown skin girl with a back like Nanas. Most hated gang, you know where we hang. No, we ain't got manners. Dip man down on the means, man, don't give a fuck, man, smile for the cameras. Bro said that I'm way too hot. Ain't been a year, but the gang's been clocked. But I'm still out mission mashing, ring chat non-stop. Might just grab me a team from Quay, cause I'm too nice for a zone too far. Bro got things cooked up like the rock. Bro said fuck ups, make what? Roll this dope when I'm cutting you, bro. Out here do roll with a man then. Face game face Snoopy, that's gang them. Izzy, home soon, that's back to the zoo, can't wait till he's landing. Man's out here, no mess, but your block's all dead, got me doing up, bro. Like, who's better than we? Them manager sneaks. Rich burgers, they ain't banging on beat. Like bro, order a king group, or it might be a Addison Lee. Gally on me, like Marami on me. Gally on fleek, I'm Marami on fleek. Who's better than we? Them manager sneaks. Rich burgers, they ain't banging on beat. Like bro, order a king group, or it might be a Addison Lee. Gally on me, like Marami on me. Gally on fleek, I'm Marami on fleek.
Karma. Scary sad. Oof. Hit squad baby. P. Like. Man, all gas to that tingo. Gal all gassed off my lingo. Free Snoop, free Shade Screws, free up big nose. 7 up in that can like they did coke. Like man, all caps for them big notes. Like man, want straps with them big nose. Man's in that gap with like 6 holes balling. If they clapped, I won't dig though. Get bread with lavish. Back skanks, they vanish. Zone 2-step, watch them man panic. And the toolie's fantastic. Be mad active, being on badness. Might just call in Sam's bit. Man, ball with fools and bandits. They see gang and dash quick. In that German whip, no lies. That Volkswagen walkie-talkie, bro, vanish. Hit squad head, don't panic. Bruce so loose like don't stab him. That span or joke, have him. I got fire, no dragon. Phones off like bro pattern. Riding. Active gang shit's exciting. Gal get witty and piping. She ride me cause she know I've been riding. Active gang shit's exciting. Gal get witty and piping. She ride me cause she know I've been riding.
On your mark, man, get ready.
Like man, all cats for them big note.
10 toes on the phone, get steppy.
Man, all gas to that tingo.
Man, get burnt like petty.
Like man, all cats for them big note.
10 toes on the phone, get steppy.
Man, all gas to that tingo.
Man, get burnt like petty.
Riding. Active gang shit's exciting. Riding. Active gang shit's exciting. Riding.
Make a you cheat on his barber. Shape up, get sheave on the corner. Make a you cheat on his barber. Shape up, get sheave on the corner. Yeah, I just Google gaga like Gaggy. Gagging on it like Maggie. Just got cushion, it's Cali. I stack more, I need more stacks, but I ain't screaming out Dally. I bust shots in that alley. Got fat shank for that Fassi. That flitting ankle, that Ramsey. I dare him do me like Bambi. You best hope I lack when I'm angry. For the baby 9 up with candy. Then pop like it's Mandy. That dot isn't fancy. That Rambo is too handy. Just chop him up like that gangrene. Don't socialize, I'm so anti. Ring trap Billy, that's karma. Call me the trap godfather. Sharman Cole or Parker. When I'm out on the ride, no answer. Make a you cheat on his barber. Shape up, get shave on the corner. Make a you cheat on his barber. Shape up, get shave on the corner. On your mark, man, get ready. Man, get burnt like petty. Or I dip, man, get chefy. 10 toes on the phone, get steppy. Rampinos long like super. I'm with Budge and O's in Uber. Bro got a link for the Ruger. Like P said, grip on a Rara. Up chatty like Lardley Daza. Too scatty, let bang on the corner. Yeah, I get bout like Dora. Shot in a 2 1/4. Dip chef like give him the water. He scared like he has a daughter. Now he smells like piss in the corner. I'm also on your mark, man, get ready.
Like man, all cats for them big note.
10 toes on the phone, get steppy.
Man, all gas to that tingo.
Man, get burnt like petty.
Like man, all cats for them big note.
10 toes on the phone, get steppy.
Man, all gas to that tingo.
Man, get burnt like petty.
Riding. Active gang shit's exciting. Riding. Active gang shit's exciting. Riding.
Make a you cheat on his barber. Shape up, get shave on the corner. Make a you cheat on his barber. Shape up, get shave on the corner.
Zone 2 is out here.
Zone 2 is a gas. Show the time. Hey, listen, 7:40. You're not out here, fam. You're not out here. You're hiding, fam. You dickheads.
I'm still gas, still savage. Lurky man, lurk, don't panic. Hit the strip with 6, that's damage. No ad-lib, man, stab it. A man, I don't slip, man, bang it. And if a nigga give lip, that's cabbage. A man, them talk a lot, they don't walk enough, they don't know about banging. And them man ran, they lucky it jammed. Or that's hashtag news. Bro, back that ooze. Fuck that, let me not chat too loose. Bro, them still trap that food. Step with heat when I step on street, can't wait till I catch that you. I'm tryna leave, man, hashtag Zoops. We got 16, that's crazy. And I know that bro will bang off the ting till his wrist goes lazy. I don't spit like that, but I spit that crap, got fire like Hades. We jump all them up like the wall should stop, but us man too crazy. I might shout too crazy. 1P, 2 L's. Them man get purging. Been out here, man's lurking. Been out till my toes all hurting. Like clean man rinse, leave man chinks. So I'll leave man curtains. And they wanna see me in person. Car, I'll leave my man hurting. Like dip man's flesh, dip man's chest. Dip man, I get chingy. It's like who's that, what's that brand? Back out the thingy. And this kitch on me like a bitch on me. Yeah, this kitch too clingy. Bro got rocked like Millie. A man Lee when I bought man Diddy.
Now let me just ask that zoo. Y'all say that I'm hashtag rude. Same way that I'm hashtag smooth. Splash and move, I'll back my bruise. I ain't tryna leave my bro. Stay on the mains and back that you. I mean, Izzy done rap that you. Can't forget and Zeno too. Man step and flex. Same way man send out a text. I'm either balling with the YGs or I trap, I'm in the ends. I love them. Still out here, no mess. Still whiz 1-2s on the ped. Like shin shout for him. Shin shout for his friend. Trick done trapped to break the law. In and out of them doors. I was trying to re-on way more. You were robbing man them for draws. JH got me 4-4s. Man, that's only crow, nothing off the court. Niggas talking all of that stuff. They ain't ready for war. Man zone 2 step. You say it's the zone 2 flex. That galley on me, she said where you from? I said zone 2 pet. Like, hold up, let me send this text. Ring chat from a brick phone so you know what's next. Man zone 2 step. You say it's the zone 2 flex. Step. The zone 2 pets. You say it's the zone 2 step. You say it's the zone 2 step.
Shit, it's that moment of silence. Cause them zone 2 boys just bopped in it, everybody knows that I'm violence. With vids, no face, no case, come tryna hide my face from the trident. Shoot slugs, say test stands, couldn't give a fuck if the whip was finest. Ding don't focus, and no one's got license. Get rolled up, 4-5 tech 9 sawn off. Save my block, course not, I'm my dogs, and we got my jaw locks. Good hot back up, I don't like neither. The food be paying like Camino. Pats come fatter than Griffin. Oh shit, I was meant to say Peter. They come louder than speakers. Then I'll go hunt, no Easter. Make the snub sneeze like a fever. Make a bark wolf, preacher. Man wanna dress me Pomperry, but next day I got blocks Pomperry. Why the man won't make for the Perry? Please don't make put fuck boy Pontelli. Ain't hard to remove the bag and grab the strap. I swear detach man's belly. Dip, splash, I'm gonna toss if I forgot my wellies. I ain't no none of the realest. LV and Miss are the craziest drillers. I'm the plug for the largest dippers. Petnum's on 2, I love my young killers. Don't make me call my young hitters. 6 TCLD Kens. MK got linked for the spinners. Don't make me call my young hitters. So the craziest drillers. Don't make me call my young hitters.
Take a man down in the mains or a back, so I'll do it anywhere and bait. One time we tried to do the lurk on the whiz and bros like oops, that's Jake. Same way that I'll dick out your girl's face, it's the same way that I'll dip man straight. Up in her stomach, she feel it, no rubbers, Bobby Brown, watch her legs, them shake. Stick and move, grip and shoot, same way with the galley, I'm smooth. She said I'm too rude, I tell her, hey move, I'm moving like nasty too. Zone 2 step, just get it correct, more time I just step and flex. If you don't come correct, you'll get me vexed, that means my flick in your chest. In the back of the trap, just chilling with cats, and you know that I serve them people. The way I take these risks in the trap, you might as well call me Evil Knievel. I don't fuck with fakes, I don't fuck with jakes, just know them way too see-through. I break bands in the trap from fiends and cuts, and you know that a stack ain't equal.
Man zone 2 step. You say it's the zone 2 flex. That galley on me, she said where you from? I said zone 2 pet. Like, hold up, let me send this text. Reach out from a brick phone so you know what's next. Man zone 2 step. You say it's the zone 2 flex. Step. The zone 2 pets. You say it's the zone 2 step. You say it's the zone 2 step.
Hey.
Most hated.
Noise. P fucking S.
Zone 2. Gunsmoke. Shoot niggas in the face for fun, man.
It's a scary set. Get me. 2.
Yeah.
Bow.
P.
Like PSP, gas P savage. They know man, they know gang. I'm still air, still banging. Get around my dipper, hey Twitter. I mean we can get at it. And your brother ain't nothing when it's busting. I bet he wouldn't back it. Man dash, but he wasn't lacking. Man have been staining. I was out here, you was out raving. No doctor, giving man facelift. Fed chase, I ain't tryna hit station. No cowpow, I'm a sick kid. Turn anyone to a victim. Yeah, I'm itching. Got a hit list. Bro said cool off and just hit this. I said alright cool, I'ma get them. Got something tucked, I'm a young fuck, that's my best friend. That's my home. See, man, Matt's good at do, and that's Quang. Doing up roll, doing up toes, doing up 10-10. Who's that? What's that? Who's that? Peng. PS, I'm gas, that's fat. Still dressed in Batman black. Get back, goddamn, grab back. Don't give a fuck, roll with it tough. Even when I bang ball with fun, that nigga got all his gums. Still tryna sort these dogs. See, man, they get bun like cheese does. She get D, she start scream, oh Lord, oh Jesus. And all you hear is dip, dip with that big kitch. Cause that's what P does. Cause that's what P does. Oh Lord, oh Jesus.
Don't look at my face, the man just scared, the man just look. Gally want act, got a breast in the back, but the useless gal can't cook. Like, this ain't a war, man, shoot and score. Like, I'm really tryna do it like, look, man. Jump out the ride, man, shove, man, shoot and score. Like, I do it like, look, man. Don't look at my face, the man just scared, the man just look. Gally want act, got a breast in the back, but the useless gal can't cook. Like, this ain't a war, man, shoot and score. Like, I'm really tryna do it like, look, man. Jump out the ride, man, shove, man, shoot and score. Like, I do it like, look, man.
Pet, no, I'm stepping, zone 2's crept in. I'm a fat you, I don't like sport, but I can show you man about fencing. 10 man deep in your block. Now all zone 2 flexing. I can't vouch for the ops, but all my zone 2's pressing. Them man are nerdy, they ain't lurky, so why they talk they bring it. They say I'm the boss, but I don't give a toss. Can't man, they ain't panic. Man just saw Justin, I was dusting, cause you know he's Spanish. Had to throw that P, but this is T, and you know I move manic. I'm playing quite fair at the moment, that's why I'm stepping with shavers. But it wouldn't be fair if I copped a strap that was attached with lasers. On your block 3 days straight, while you just munch on quavers. Stepping zone 2 ranges, I couldn't give a fuck about the neighbours. I'm riding around with that Sammy, or I'm riding around with that thing. You can mash work with a hand ting, I can mash work with a shing. Jab in a knife fight, but if you lacking dog, you can swing. And slap cool at his crown fam if you wanna act like he's a king.
Zone 2 step, doing up zone 2 step. If not, then I'm doing up trap. One shot kill, Wolfman straight in his chest. Do it like P, then dash. He already got it, bro, just stop it. Donny got chin, belly, back. Man just talk on the net. Man done step and splash. Fly upside, tryna find more bands. Fly around there, tryna find more bands. Man just drill up the thing now, way too pissed. Cause I swear that the gal do crash. Trap mash, blow that shit, make that. Trap mash, blow that shit, make that. Might just do 10 toes in your mat. Might trap mash on your mat. Ring trap all morning. Ring, no they won't stop calling. I just back out the shave and sauce it. Splash man down, no warning. You know it went deep if calling. Zone 2 step, man, zone 2 walking. 50 bells, that's what man's talking. That's what man's talking. Like, I'm on Mazzers, and this bro, ting be a baddest. And this Jamaican ting, she all on me. Now she ain't got manners. No face, no case, no cameras. Tryna take man's face off the atlas. Watch man do them backwards. Just reappearing. Don't look at my face, the man just scared, the man just look. Gally want act, got a breast in the back, but the useless gal can't cook. Like, this ain't a war, man, shoot and score. Like, I'm really tryna do it like, look, man. Jump out the ride, man, shove, man, shoot and score. Like, I do it like, look, man. Don't look at my face, the man just scared, the man just look. Gally want act, got a breast in the back, but the useless gal can't cook. Like, this ain't a war, man, shoot and score. Like, I'm really tryna do it like, look, man. Jump out the ride, man, shove, man, shoot and score. Like, I do it like, look, man.
YTV music, YTV music, YTV music, YTV music, YTV music, YTV music.
I've been tightening screws, run a man down, whacking up rappers, then bop back to the 2. They see you pom-poms on their block, no cheerleaders part of the crew. They see you pom-poms on their block, trust me, they already know who.
2 hands in a stick like calmness. Pull up, I might just don't make peas in every. Been in the trap, what's next? Do it like nasty galleon. Pull up and squeeze, I don't care who's hench. Dip, splash, you fucked up the day. 2 hands in a stick like calmness. Pray. Pull up, I might just flex. Don't make peas in every way. Been in the trap, what's next? Do it like nasty galleon, May. Pull up and squeeze, I don't care who's hench. Dip, splash, you fucked up the day. Look, it's the work of the devil. 10-toe step with my rebel. Shing, show, man, filling with metal. They talk like so won't settle. Big whoosh in the ride, no label. Clean up the scene, just something like Dettol. Got a bitch on my line, just catting me down like babe, let's settle. 2 hands in a stick like come, let's pray. Shooting no scenes, but it's no press play. Still make peas in every way. Shing, show, all in his face. Do it like nasty, galley on May. Blow off the party, clappy on hay. Date it splash, you fucked up the day. Then it is back to my gaff, I bathe.
Doing 10 toes, covering miles all over a OT map. Giving up testers and numbers, confiscating with cats, that's trap. But man don't check, I can't get bagged. That's a first strike and I can't hit that. Fuck that. I need Nokia's ringing unlimited, grub, runners and band. Trust, chilling in a dirty old trap. If I was doing good then I need these racks. Ends is wax, so I stay KK with packs. I was in my cell, stacking up breakfast packs. Swagging up for V's and that. Mass that case that my last is mad. Now I'm still lurking at the ends on the backs. I don't have no ops, but I still got 10 skills in defending attack. Back that thing out the back and slap it off mad. Also I'm too brilliant in the trap. In the fed and I'm chopping out slabs. Put it into skills, straight into bags, bust themselves on stacks.
2 hands in a stick like come let's pray. Pull up, I might just flex. Still make peas in every way. Been in the trap, what's next? Do it like nasty galley or May. Pull up and squeeze, I don't care who's hench. Dip it splash, you fucked up the day.
Now let me slap that. Nah, I can't say that. You know, face too bait at. Jake's not my name at. Loose lips, sink shit. So why would you say that? Chef, get drenched. Like, no, we don't play that. Girl, say that I don't do roll. And now bro looking at me like look at that cheek, I just roll my dough. Like I ain't been letting off smoke. Like me never just jacked a bro. And Cali on me like my Rambo, and the gang though won't cuff that hoe. Roll up sweet corn then ghost. With bro 1-4 on the most. I told bro come and do the dip enough dip splash, tryna leave enough holes. And man's all laughing at my man with my gang. Like tell bro come and find man, why you gon' run off and leave your bro? Like man, you just on 2-step. Pull up, I might just flex. Been so active, been on badness, been in the trap, what's next? Me and these squeeze tryna soak and drench. Pull up and squeeze, I don't care who's hench. Big team lead the whole cements. Man just got his broski's chest. But it's cool, that's fine, okay. Daddy don't want no nerds, says she want flex with PSOJ. Daddy want find my weed, baby I'm needy, this ain't sense, no way. Browning and the back so cray. Name PS, but I man don't play. Play no game. Hit a man's chin, if I'm with chin and we clock man's face. Been hitting up strats, I've been making dough. Bro still mash, bro still trap, bro still quitting, oh. Like, pull up, hello, yes I'm the one been taping roll. Might be a peng and her best friend that I bake with bro. Zone 2, known 2. Watch man start wildin', cause of this fame ain't ask for her name. But gangs all smiling, so I get giddy when riding. Active gang shit is exciting. Gang get willy and piping, most hated so I keep matting. 2 hands in a stick like come let's pray. Pull up, I might just flex. Still make peas in every way. Been in the trap, what's next? Do it like nasty galley or May. Pull up and squeeze, I don't care who's hench. Dip it splash, you fucked up the day.
Purchase your tracks today.
MK the plug.
Purchase your tracks today.
I've lived on pagan end. Went school with pagan friends. Yeah, 9 had played on me. Learn about my cement. Too bad didn't see a 10. Got shit, came back again. Oh shit, I didn't repent. Oh Lord, forgive my sins. You rolled with reckless guys, evil things, devilish mind. Bro got his and I got mine. Splash, splash, chain. He got it twice, straight on side. Got left there for not me. Right. Bro got Wreck-It, I got Ralph. Chain. Bro got Wreck-It, I got Ralph. Splash. Bro got Wreck-It, I got Ralph. Bro got Wreck-It, I got Ralph.
I'm young, but you know I get active. Touch body, you know I be backing it. Out here tryna rise some gang shit. Me a bunch on the cut, that's damage. Pull up, crash, LV dash. Rude boy, best not panic. Things in bad, shanks in hats. Nigga, that's critical damage. Add a K to the 2s are dumb. Cause you might pull up in seconds. Rude boy, better stay on point. Cause you might have to leave your brethren. Shank plus up, that's blade through tops. Zone 2 step and flex with diligent men, we're rude. Act up, get both your goon. Fuck a bitch, that's way too rude. Out here tryna see these bands. Shanks and palms, nigga don't act. Only dash if I ain't got my shank. All my bros then grip and splash dip. Turn man pack, turn the old youth to a victim. Leave him crying in stitches. Them man act for bitches. Can't fuck around with my goons. Dip, splash, turn man pack. Don't give a fuck who you are. Tell your dons to behave. That's all in net backs. Nigga with me front page. Don't act up for that bitch. Get tucked in with that kitch. Me and bro tryna hit him. Get grabbed, but no, I ain't snitching. Splash ting, that's hoes and victims. Air large when you leaving snitches. Grab him, that's another missing victim. Grab him, that's another missing victim.
I've lived on pagan end. Went school with pagan friends. Yeah, 9 had played on me. Learn about my cement. Too bad didn't see a 10. Got shit, came back again. Oh shit, I didn't repent. Oh Lord, forgive my sins. You rolled with reckless guys, evil things, devilish mind. Bro got his and I got mine. Splash, splash, chain. He got it twice, straight on side. Got left there for not me. Right. Bro got Wreck-It, I got Ralph. Chain. Bro got Wreck-It, I got Ralph. Splash. Bro got Wreck-It, I got Ralph. Bro got Wreck-It, I got Ralph.
Back in the day, roadman's mates, Kenj, take out the blade. Hoodied up, blacked out, belly on 3 man, already cool, I am not staying. Couldn't give a fuck by the weather, sunny or not, still out in the rain. Just because you know man's cousin, you must be buzzing, I won't get you saved. VYG talking to me, but I still move loose the next day. Boy lost the pack, going up old, now we ain't getting no pay. We ride in, no ding dong, 10 toes, back roads, never do up the mains. We jump up, things are ups, never look back, they always turn it into a race. All block doing up tactics. Come like we're teaching. 3 go that way, 4 go that way. Others stay here and keep peeping. I'll step round there with smoke, put it there's lows, make guys bleeding. Remember that day in Crane touched all my face and he started skeeting. Up in the party, touching my hair like Gally on top. 2 steps ahead to the guys in black and white, like we're always on top. Bro, I swear that's police. Everyone skeet run, get out the block. Bust them U's, hop in them fences anytime we buck into cops.
I believed on pagan N. Went school with pagan friends. Yeah, 9 had played on me. Learn about mice and men. Too bad didn't see a 10. Got shit, came back again. Oh shit, I did repent. Oh Lord, forgive my sin. You rolled with reckless guys, evil things, devilish mind. Bro got his and I got mine. Splash, splash, chain. He got it twice, straight on side. Got left there for not me left right. Bro got record, I got Ralph. I got Ralph. Chain, bro got record, I got Ralph. I got Ralph. Splash, bro got record, I got Ralph. I got Ralph. Broke up record, I got Ralph. I got Ralph.
Creep, Quang. I can do that with my friends. I can creep up with a skeng.
Ops came true. True say the ops came true. Corn flying out, tryna slap man. I grab mine.
Just at the way that you know it is. Zone 2 hit squad. Some pet nom shit. Get shot in the face for fun. More time you're gonna need to be resuscitated. We crazy and we skits. Them guys already knew this. Get burnt off like wrist. Them man run when they see the fist. We crazy and we skits. Twin barrel dash jumbo twix. Pet nom zone 2 shits. Hella chinks, hella dips. We crazy and we skits. Them guys already knew this. Get burnt off like wrist. Them man run when they see the fist. We crazy and we skits. Twin barrel dash jumbo twix. Pet nom zone 2 shits. Hella chinks, hella dips.
I get active. I do backflips, I do a mad ting, I'm man talking like they weren't talking right, so we rapped him. And this galley on me like my Rammy on me, but she acting. I had to sort it out, then I whacked it. Like boomba with a corn by the corner. Like Jake's on me for the drugs and dope, cause I'm hot like a sauna. And that girl there be belling my line never once that I called her. Man pull up, crash, collapse, then I hold her up, call her. Dip man's head, dip man's stress, no sign across the no church. Bridges that get burnt, 10 toes and man lurk. 10 with that work, 10 and get jerked. You got the 10, you get jerked. And I'm dipping and swerve. Fuck it, grab a Nina then bucket. Got love from a Brandon ting, mad this ting, love the way that she suck it. Fuck it, grab a 9 bar then brock it. Got love from a Brandon ting, mad this ting, love the way that she suck it.
We crazy and we skits. Them guys already knew this. Get burnt off like wrist. Them man run when they see the fist. We crazy and we skits. Twin barrel dash jumbo twix. Pet nom zone 2 shits. Hella chinks, hella dips. We crazy and we skits. Them guys already knew this. Get burnt off like wrist. Them man run when they see the fist. We crazy and we skits. Twin barrel dash jumbo twix. Pet nom zone 2 shits. Hella chinks, hella dips. They no choice, I've been tightening screws. Run a man down, whacking up rappers, then bop back to the 2. They see pom-poms on their block, no cheerleaders part of the crew. They see pom-poms on their block, trust me, they already know who. I want shanks, I want swords, I want guns and rockets. They rather okay, we know that, but their shank game's also bollocks. Like, ain't hard to remove the bag and grab the strap, I swear detach my stomach. Dip, splash, splash my blood, it can fill up a bucket. Throw a barrel, hold that steady. Grab man for the scores and readies. In the order, there's a back, there's a semi. 3K to your touching them bellies. Staying gang for the pounds and pennies. Grab the broom, but my room went messy. Ain't light, it's dark and heavy. Talk about works, but you ain't done any. Fuck it, grab the back, then I bracket. Super bad, like McLovin. Get the slugs, then I start stuffing. Fuck it, grab the back, then I bracket. Super bad, like McLovin. Get the slugs, then I start stuffing. We crazy and we skits. Them guys already knew this. Get burnt off like wrist. Them man run when they see the fist. We crazy and we skits. Twin barrel dash jumbo twix. Pet nom zone 2 shits. Hella chinks, hella dips. We crazy and we skits. Them guys already knew this. Get burnt off like wrist. Them man run when they see the fist. We crazy and we skits. Twin barrel dash jumbo twix. Pet nom I'm zone 2 shits. Hella chings, hella jets.
Like, fling on my mask and hoodie. Show my man what's goody. Step and groove, quest and move through the man in felt and woody. Y'all wanna touch no looky. Hold up, let me roll this cookie. Y'all wanna give that nookie. Cause she know about zone 2 flow. Fling on my mask and hoodie. Show my man what's goody. Step and groove, quest and move through the man in felt and woody. Y'all wanna touch no looky. Hold up, let me roll this cookie. Y'all wanna give that nookie. Cause she know about zone 2 fully. I let up 40 on me, man's drilling it. Plus my flows aren't infinite. I got a brown skin ting from the zones. Got a ting round drilling them. Travelling house, man's dishing it. About some no roll, you're billing it. Would've lost that dashed up arm, Jesus. Oh Lord, man, top on the internet. Roll me a 10, roll me a 10, roll up, then finish it. Jumped on Clapham, but I'm shattered. Fell asleep by Twickenham. And I told you when I roll through, cough breath, I ain't missing him. Active traffic, fully on badness. AM slow, so let me just chat this. Can't get him, then his whiz getting rap quick. I'm gonna aim, so he missed when he slapped it. Up take me, cause I'm cheeky and active. Could've been a million corn. They didn't see none and the whole of them dashing. Show my man what's goody. Step and groove, quest and move through the man in felt and woody. Y'all wanna touch no looky. Hold up, let me roll this cookie. Y'all wanna give that nookie. Cause she know about zone 2 fully. Fling on my mask and hoodie. Show my man what's goody. Step and groove, quest and move through the man in felt and woody. Y'all wanna touch no looky. Hold up, let me roll this cookie. Y'all wanna give that nookie. Cause she know about zone 2 fully.
Doing up seaside towns was way too great. Hebs on rebs on me, I started this ends with an 8. Do it like K, brought down grub and sell it away. Trap my style, dice it all down, then I go actually quay. You do home, I do map, or you're on the strip, this do not slip. I stay quay out the map, not ends, cause I'm trying to be doing up rich. But when I'm on ends, that's me and quick face on the back from doing up ching. If I clock him in the corner shining, that's me leaving with a whole load of bling. Back on my neck, see loads of red, no stabbing up bums, I bleed loads of chest. That's not grizz, I see loads of rep. Lick down big man, loads of Zeds. Cut you where don't go, this ends. Cut you where don't go, this ends. Lick down big man, loads of Zeds. Cut you where don't go, this ends.
Fling on my mask and hoodie. Show my man what's goody. Step and groove, quest and move through the man in felt and woody. Y'all wanna touch no looky. Hold up, let me roll this cookie. Y'all wanna give that nookie. Cause she know about zone 2 fully. Fling on my mask and hoodie. Show my man what's goody. Step and groove, quest and move through the man in felt and woody. Y'all wanna touch no looky. Hold up, let me roll this cookie. Y'all wanna give that nookie. Cause she know about zone 2 fully. Fling on my mask and hoodie. Mask and hoodie. Fling on my hoodie. Mask and hoodie. Fling on my mask and hoodie. Mask and hoodie. Fling on my hoodie. Mask and hoodie.
Oof. Yeah, no it is. PS. Get me? Get something on my chest quick, yeah?
Swerving.
Oh shit.
Back then I couldn't wait for the dots. Now we got lots. Now it's just casual. Now we choose from razors and trainers. Like come use that tool. Man pre like what's up with that you? He didn't talk like that when we was at school. Niggas all grown up now. Oh what wow, man they so damn fool. Look at that trainer, get blaze up. Big kick when it bangs. Scream oh Jesus so damn. When they saw this they ran. And look at them guys telling them lies. It's real shit when I rap. Talking about trainer, look at that trader. Big kid chatting was. Zone 2, litty. Peck numb, this peck nizzy. Gal get piping, gal get freaky. Talk shit, you get bull quick, I get morbid, also itchy. Shit gets also sticky. 3K2 Snoopy, free Izzy. Free squeeze face, these Jakes move illy. About add K on the 2, what, where, who, don't move silly. Bro been whipping up gums, just whipping his arms, that's rock no milli. PS hot no chili, from young man blood my flicky. Fill up the loud real quick, same way bro, fill up the line real quickly. What's good? Zone 2 step in my boots, lurking where, what through what hood. G-check man like what you on budge? What's next? Gally on me want sex, naughty cause she done see man flex. Sorry boo but I didn't see that text. Oh shit, I'm gassed and I'm savage. Got ops, maximum damage. With crank face the back and then clap it. Go back my splash and get shaking. I'm about to tell you man they can't manage. Hit squad's head the man they start panic. With bro you know who Mad Max is. Said he fucks with F some man tax him. Big dot with no safety. Give no fucks you best pay me. Free shot, free these gang, free up JB. Done said I got fire like Hades. I do up road with my matey. Brown and biggest back she too feisty. Hit squad they rate the 2 lately. PS I go wait my name's Weighty. Trust me. What's good? Zone 2 step in my boots. Lurking where, what you at hood? G-check man like what you on budge? What's next? Gally on me want sex. Naughty cause she done see man flex. Sorry boo but I didn't see that text. Get bread, get dough. Back skanks they blow. Hit squad, hit guns, them man know. Still on the ends with bro. Got trainers, fill up the ends with smoke. Like fill up the air with crow. This Brexit, get out the ends must go. Thought I should let man know. Trust me. In that German whip, no lies. Might roll with Cali, riding, roll with Bally. Jump out, leave the whole thing scatty. A-gal move, she's also catty. Browning with loads of batty. Grab that back, I'm way too grabby. Grab back, I'm way too tappy. Oh shit. Cats itching for shots like hold this. Man talk silly, I'll poke him. Hit squad zone 2, man's posted. Oh shit. Cats itching for shots like hold this. Man talk silly, I'll poke him. Hit squad zone 2, man's posted. What's good? Zone 2 step in my books. Lurking where, what you at hood? G-check man like what you on budge? What's next? Gally on me want sex. Naughty cause she done see man flex. Sorry boo but I didn't see that text.
Still back in Lizzie in the trap. Man was on the Rizzy and that. I got the thingy on my lap. Smoking, I'm like, true say man was on the Rizzy and that. Still back in Lizzie in the trap. Smoking, I got the thingy on my lap. Jump park cars with Midgie and Swam. Rapping up dark for $1 million band. Jump park cars with Midgie and Swam. Still back in Lizzie in the trap. Smoking, I got the thingy on my lap. Enough time, man, see ops. Open the chest and cut. Came out the can. Next day, me and she squeezing the focus. Lurk on your block. The ops them know, and the fox them know. That man's 17K. Big shank on my waist. Can't put dirt on my name. Came to your block. Call all up. Put my red blade in his face. She came to my block. 6F preach. Taped up the lane. See hit squad, that's gang. 3 pieces, 6 my savs. My little nigga preach so sav. Needs her man to a pack. I'm tryna off something for Max. RP MK, RP Shanks. The ops can't come where I jam. Hard work made it can't shine bang. My boys leave home in the set. The judge let me out, I'm blessed. Nothing changed, still find myself OT, 3 packs of peng. Nothing changed, still up and down. Done on a stolen pet. Like let a boy lack. I'll chef man down to a pack. I'm the mean in the on site. I'll do it on the means like Max. Try lurking the 2 get whacked. Got a phone 2 weeks and it bangs. If you know then you know 3 bands. Free show 10 times, you know that's a 7 a cut. Shit, they ain't sure seen the way you used to whip that old school 4-door truck. Like the other day, man just stole me a 4.5. Wrap up the beat, then I'm on the M3. Me on my one John Ruskin Street. Look, man can't tell you about Savage. holes in a pussy or jacket. M-way trip with my badders. Don't really know what the pack is. Woody girl just so ratchet. Woody girl just so ratchet. Like, true say man was on the Rizzy and that. Still bagging Lizzie in the trap. Smoking, I got a thingy on my lap. Jump park cars with Midgie and Swam. Rapping up dark for $1 million band. Jump park cars with Midgie and Swam. Still bagging Lizzie in the trap. Smoking, I got a thingy on my lap. Man still pull out with Swam. Skid run the ends on 1-2s. I ain't letting shit slide. Old school ops get touched too. Still skid and swerve around brown. Block cause I'm on them man too. But that block is dead. Get round any block on my ped. Any op that I see, I'm pushing my shine through next. Man get busy with my splash, man get busy with Max. Like, true say man was on the Rizzy and that. Still bagging Lizzie in the trap. Smoking, I got a thingy on my lap. Jump park cars with Midgie and Swam. Rapping up for $1 million bands. Hit squad, that's a militant gang. Come to your block on my ones, or I might bring the whole gang. Man's in the trap, man don't sleep, man nap. Spent 3 bands on a pack. Enough brand, it's got splashed. I want brown, it got it too. Like, true say man was on the Rizzy and that. Still bagging Lizzie in the trap. Smoking, I got a thingy on my lap. Jump park cars with Midgie and Swam. Rapping up for $1 million band. Jump park cars with Midgie and Swam. Still bagging Lizzie in the trap. Smoking, I got a thingy on my lap. Like, true say man was on the Rizzy and that. Still bagging Lizzie in the trap. Smoking, I got a thingy on my lap. Jump park cars with Midgie and Swam. Rapping up for $1 million band. Jump park cars with Midgie and Swam. Still bagging Lizzie in the trap. Smoking, I got a thingy on my lap.
Are they really bagging out? Are they really making noise? Them niggas look like champs. Put that boy in the papes. If he gets on side on the pave, stay true to the bone with a black blade. Man, get shinged up in your face. Pull up and crash, no Diana. If we ain't gang, we can't do banter. Frank Lucas in that trap yard. Still whipping, yeah, you'll till it. Turns into hard, glide, step, fling shank on deck. Hot get splashed in the set. Known for pushing my shank through necks. From my bold ends, I'll shank on my friend. Break then I pack, now I get bread. Like I love it when my line rings. Might finesse your bay and cut out. Couple guys went swimming in front of them feds. Up get splashed in the set. I had my invisible value boo. Hot round there get splashed by you know who. Couple man got ICU'd. It's popular in ICU. With K2, known as Ken's. Drenched to the up times 2x2. She can hold my and then we go get some brunch. Pirates jug, stirring. Trying my hardest to lock that one. Still skid, late night waxing bags. Pitched up a bagel, a finger in sexy joints bag. Bill up the line, we'll quickly. Go spot, no hotspot. I just clocked some undies in a Honda. I break then I pack up hard. I break down packs, nasty funds. No funny talk. I break down packs, nasty funds. Cook cref, might do it like P and hit that up in his chest. Gang them vex, them man salads. Get round 10-15 inches. Bet up scatter. Did he even come with no blamming? Slide in the ops, tryna crash. At least 4 man then leave. I'm like yo, that looks like my man. Yo boy talk up head. Harder than sauna, neck chop, chest shots. How many man got soaked up? Coming one way. These dons must be zoned. Free shade, I need that nigga back. 3 light skin might do it like light skin. Drops to the hand ting and bang it. If it's on site and I got my blade, boy got his blade. Chef man down, don't panic. That splash man down, I've been cooling. Splash the up, I've been drowning. In the field, the ops all out in. Like nothing my butt tell them niggas. I'm them niggas doing that mileage. Hold on, I got D and I got squeezed and they got my back. Like 1 hand on bros and I'm getting 5 back. Them niggas ain't seen a pack. Hold on, I got D and I got squeezed and they got my back. Like 1 hand on bros and I'm getting 5 back. Them niggas ain't seen a pack. Like break than a pack.
More time hit stains. No leg get dough then I'm out. Or just zone 2 step on their block. No shot they know we about. Like what's wrong with these zone 2s? Giving nobody's clout. How you get bored? Talk about scores, not ride them right and open his mouth. They come like my fans, but it's alright my lads. See they pray then light and bang. Oh best back out your knife bad man. Like he gone he goes. Look at the rotted score. 2 shit boot him, dog get bored. Big foot TikTok rotted lord, hardest cause. Fuck that, there's one Nizzy. Big kitchen all gun with me. Question, don't act dumb silly. Ask mum for ointment, her son's itchy. Are you gonna back your brethren? Zone 2 step man ran and left him. Shing shing shout man I stay chefing. Neck chest back, that's lucky they mend him. See, man might skidda-duh. I been on the up block, might be a pedestrian, give connection. I turned that to a hotspot. Like man's just chilling off, hey bro, yield it, cause I turned that to a hot box. Don't give a fuck, roll with it tucked. I turned that to a lock off. I remember that day back then when I dipped man like 10 times for my first flip. Got man's lungs and back, I was younger, gas didn't think it would hurt him. Back then it was live, backing out knives. I show man about lurking. Now me and MI tryna M guys, tryna put man where a shirt is. What's all the talk? What's all the fuckery? Niggas them talk, they don't want war, they don't really wanna come but me. About why man in your ends car cam man, I roll there comfy. Look, I ain't rich yet, but I seen them rats cause stay man comfy. 6, remember that time when we caught my man on the bus? He was talking a lot on the phone in the real life, all of that talking stop. Remember that time when we caught my man on the street? Back to the heat, backed out 2 of them nanks, bad luck cause the pussy didn't ski. Yo, man get splashy, zone 2 step with Grammy, roll with Bradley, in the cabbie, jump out, leave it all scatty. Man get splashy, zone 2 step with Grammy, roll with Bradley, in the cabbie, jump out, leave it all scatty.
Yeah, just double
Mika gave you this one.
Getting that money be vital. Karma, come back around, I earned my title. Pedal back ride with Michael Ramsey. Remy got loads of titles, like Riri Gordon, dip Gordon, roll with the Nankon cycles. If you're on me, I'm on you. I'm gonna dip you down and that's final. Oppositions and rivals, they see me and run. No, they cast me down, they like Lionel Richie. Voice sounds deep on tracks, but when I back my nank is too high and pitchy. Fuck with you, man, them guys are bitchy. I'll put next in next, see it turn red, then it ain't no hickey. See, when it comes to the beef, ask my bro, I get way too itchy. But my up and he's moving quickly. Pop some patties. Aye, wait, hold on, don't at me. I ring trap kitty, get cash, I'm in love with a trap like Freddy and Daphne. Cornish corn, gonna turn man pasty. Where a nigga rap like pasta, gang love smoke, so we name it Rasta. Don't move too gully, I'm way too bunny, I'm sounding like Buster. Put my nank in the back, dips, splash, affect your structure. Long nank in a long sleeve jumper, man, just put him on a short sleeve shirt. I'm all down for the filthy dirt. If you're on bro, bet kill me first. No, but there's no point of trying. Heart of a lamb like roam your turf. With a little Uzi vert, grip that ting, man, boot and burst. Boom,
Aye. We got hella strikers on the team, and we got interceptors. Your block's to the bottom, you be in your block, you can call that Tetris. Mum knows that I'm a savage, that's why I hold so much lectures. Say it on me, then your friend, something like an English breakfast.
Getting that money be vital. Karma, come back around, I earned my title. Pedal back ride with Michael Ramsey. Remy got loads of titles, like Riri Gordon, dip Gordon, roll with the Nankon cycles.
We got hella strikers on the team, and we got interceptors. Trust me. Your block's to the bottom, you be in your block, you can call that Tetris. Mum knows that I'm a savage, that's why I hold so much lectures. Say it on me, then your friend, something like an English breakfast. Being out here with gangman lurk, long zombie, push that through shirt. Try educate them man, they're nerds. AB real, who's mashed up first? Up fuck there, one fucking flirt. Fuck that bitch up, Uncle hurts. Took man's flow, that's been confirmed. Dip game sick, man sick like germ. Bros in the kitchen whipping at work. Everyone's bad, okay, let's purge. With my own eyes, seen them disperse. Devilish fools, bro said them curse. Police on gang through, couple guys birds. 3K2, 3-6 Snoop. Free up the zone, fuck Jakes, man, word. Been doing our ops, I know you heard. 10 toes, get active. Boom, bar, go backflip. Run up, best give me them bands, bitch. They talk, I'm traps, but dash quick. Skinny girl on me with fat tits. Ride out, no plan, no tactics. Caught him, got whooshed, that's practice. Scored that goal and I didn't go practice. Trust me. Yo, I didn't go training. Dash, but I swear I don't blame him. Saw 20 dollars with shavers. Bro got so the fake didn't face it. Skeet, then I ain't where her face is. Cat loves dark when she moving all racist. Got a ting from Birmingham, she too fit. When she left, I still smell her fragrance. Dumb snitches, writing statements. Big bush when I step on pavement. Dumb midget, don't get taken. SLR, aka Satan. Don't with her hand or get splashed through blatant. We made them, don't get mistaken. Gally on me, cause I'm LR. Who's that fella? Dip that pagan. We got hella strikers on the team, and we got interceptors. Trust me. Your block's to the bottom, you be in your block, you can call that Tetris. Mum knows that I'm a savage, that's why I hold so much lectures. Say it on me, then your friend, something like an English breakfast.
Getting that money be vital. Karma, come back around, I earned my title. Pedal back ride with Michael Ramsey. Remy got loads of titles, like Riri Gordon, dip Gordon, roll with the Nankon
No, it's hit squad.
Ops came true say the ops came true. Corn flying out tryna slap man, I grab mine. Man running off with a mash, even need to go whack down. Young boy take them trips, and tell him go vast that bank that you know me already. Chris Brown in with a fat back, shotgun diligent. Cuff quest like I ain't listening, clap that ting, see nut up swinging it. Up 40 on me, man's drilling it, zone 2 step. Bro man get it correct, do it like nasty, yeah I want sex. Twist my 15 in his neck, and I'm coin face too. Got corn for a trader too. Man done dick that bitch, man smash that whiz, man shell it at your Barbie too. Man zone 2 step, rude boy man get it correct. Just to go flex, real talk man just to go flex. Don't 2 step, rude boy man get it correct. I tell my girl back it, I do road and I got bad habits, but I'm still air mission mashing, out here with the kids they catting. I tell my girl back it, I do road and I got bad habits, but I'm still air mission mashing, out here with the kids they catting. The ops them know and the fots them know. Hit squad, that's madness. Gally so damn fit, and she know we some bandits. Hit squad, hit dons, leave man planking. Like gally on me, gally on fleet, but gally too damn quick. Got friggy, then dashed it. Browning, like course love, like course. I'm still on walkers. Yeah man, there's some talkers. Yeah man, bad what course not. How many times did they dash on the course up? We'll see faces and bust that corner. Dick splash, that's water. See man run when I back that saucer. Or it's quang face with a long nose. Shit, let me not chat too loose. And she see the piece we mash, so she asked to buy her shit then. It's stick for stick then. They got theirs but ours goes boom. And Braun really into them chores but he got the largest broom. Who's the hardest? Man just build it and brass it. Bro just get it and park it. That's arson, swing it on bastards. Barbaric, fling on. Gal got titties and asses. Get free then pass it. You gotta swim if you can cross it. Oh shit, cross it. Swim if you can cross it, oh shit. Get free then pass it. You gotta swim if you can cross it. Swim if you can cross it, oh shit.
Like what's all the bullshit? Like what's all the nonsense? What is that? I can put it in my mum's if it ever catch it in, it won't rest on my conscience. It won't. We got 3 of them each in 1 car, they must thought some 2 or some monsters. Who remembers that? Meaty, Max, TB, Shades, creasing like why we so bonkers. Trizak is fake, Trizak is a snake. You might as well call me Judas. I'm a snake, man. I got my levers on, let me rinse the strap and leave it all toothless. About zone 2's wet, zone 2's moist, they know zone 2's ruthless. Was you in zone 2 step on their block, their man wanted to act all clueless. How could I rate that guy? How? When he got chefed up twice and he still raps and lies. Bang him even though he had his knife. You scummy ain't done no dirt. No. Little bitches moving like Rihanna, they ain't putting no work. No, they ain't putting no work. Shit. Remy on me, swap me on me. Slick game good, now the rallies on me. Catty on me, yatty on me. Dick game good, now the galley on me. Sally on me, body on me. Grab the numb, now the galley on me. Nuss with me, pee with me. Go to the zone, now Mizzy with me. Zone 2.